Hello Aries, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 17th August to 23rd August 2020. Let me quickly remind you, these are general energies. This may or may not resonate with you. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Now looking at your weekly energies, Aries, some fabulous cards for you, some not, but let's get on to the fabulous cards for you. Overall energies, you've got the Star and Participation. Amazing cards for you, Aries. Some sort of a wish fulfillment, some sort of a cosmic uh, interference here, making your wish fulfilled, giving you what you want. This could be returning home, this could be meeting someone you've been wanting to meet, this could be a marriage or an engagement, something of that sort that will come out as a wish fulfillment. Something that you've desired is finally happening now. On your love front, you've got Five of Swords and the Lovers. So one of the indications here could be that you could have had a fallout or a disagreement, and it's not really important for you to justify your behavior. You can only apologize and move ahead of it, because the person sees you as their soulmate. There is a lot of love and there's a lot of connection between the two of you. So the best bet for you would be to just apologize and move ahead with that, so that things look better for you. I think mentally you've taken this a lot more on your head, but the other person still loves you irrespective, and it's you and your mind that is thinking all the negativity here. So just learn it as a lesson and move ahead. For a very few of you, this could be that you're competing with someone for the one you love. For a very few of you, and you would want to win at all costs, but you could be extremely rebellious about it, and you want to win it at any cost. However, you are asked to be a little more understanding towards your partner and understand what sort of a choice, what sort of a partner they are looking, and only then you will have this breakthrough that you're looking at. Release any mental burdens that you have in regards to this relationship, and you will start seeing it flourish. Okay. On the work front, you've got Four of Swords and Beyond Illusion. So I think you're taking a break, you're taking some sort of a rest before you actually start to sort of work again. You might be off or you might be working from home, and now is the time where you feel that you've worked a lot and you really want that break. You really want to keep it low until you again start getting back to work. However, you seem to be extremely balanced at work, and you seem to have the right sort of passion and the right sort of zeal that is required for you to work at, that is required for you at work. A little hint of concern here on your health front would be that you could be having excessively high blood pressure or high sugar levels. This could also mean obesity, because we've got Nine of Cups and we've got the Strength card. So this could indicate that the heart, the back, the ribs, the spine, there could be issues with your circulation, blood circulation, and your overall vitality. Apart from this, looking at the advices that we have for you, I happen to pull out 3 advices for romance angels. One of it is playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. The second card is give your relationship a chance, work on your partnerships, and express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So please take however it resonates, and an advice from Archangel Gabriel is listen only to love. Don't allow fear to distract you from your divine mission. So if this resonates with you, Aries, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance, and keep sharing Ruhani Guidance.